In the 23rd MSME Exhibition and Trade Fair, scheduled to take place in Bujumbura, Burundi from December 5th to the 15th of this year. The Cabinet Secretary for Cooperatives and MSME Development, Simon Chelugui, has commissioned a committee to oversee the vetting of entrepreneurs who will take part in the trade fair. Our reporter Ndombi Diana with more details.
In a bid to strengthen their presence in the regional market and foster increased trade, 300 Kenyan micro, small and medium-sized entrepreneurs are set to showcase at the 23rd MSME Trade Fair, further uplifting Kenya's offerings and creating export opportunities.
This year's trade fair serves to give exceptional commercial prospects for showcasing regional brands for both goods and services, providing further momentum to the East African integration process.
The trade fair's primary goal is to provide Kenyan entrepreneurs with a platform to grasp emerging market dynamics, gain insight into business practices, and establish business connections that can facilitate increased trade.
By deepening the value chain frameworks, our countries and organizations will definitely identify and group their own business functions into strategic primary and secondary activities, understand linkages and dependence between different activities and areas of business.
The ESG exhibition is an annual event that has historically brought together MSMEs from East Africa's partner nations to expand their reach into new markets, share technologies, and enhance regional integrations. For this, Chelugui stressed that the committee should ensure representation from all 47 Kenyan counties.
And to achieve the sort of expectation that we intend to achieve, we have, through the Office of the CEO, established KPIs that will be looked at so that we are able to identify the products and then be able to gauge how well our products are doing in the East African market.
The committee under the Micro and Small Enterprise Authority has embraced a data-driven approach to select the 300 MSMEs set to participate. Key performance indicators such as the number of locally made products to be sold during the trade fair, the volume of value-added local products traded, the growth of MSMEs' revenue through product and service sales, and the number of new leads generated from contacts established will aid the vetting process. For KT News,
Now, the Africa Online Safety Fund, with support from Google.org, has announced the winners